All right, hello YouTube. Coming at you with just a little quick video since I utilize YouTube so much to learn how to install my RDS auxiliary fuel tank. I thought I'd repay the favor and do a quick little video and show what I did to install mine. What we're looking at is it's listed at 32 gallon RDS auxiliary fuel tank. You'll see on the sticker, actually it says that it's 37, but again, whenever you search for it on Amazon or wherever else, it'll be listed as a 32. I think that part number was what, 71804 from RDS. Anyway, you can see what the tank looks like. You'll notice the little bolts that come with the installation kit. I'll show you the underside of what those look like in a minute. And then you'll see the on-off valve there and the supplied line that come with the RDS installation kit, which I highly recommend. It was well worth it. Just a couple things on top you'll notice. The only thing I'm disappointed with this tank is that, and this is very trivial, but the fuel gauge is backwards. And so it's kind of hard to see from outside the truck. So anyway, trivial thing, but that's the only disappointment I have. I was very, very pleased whenever this thing came. See how heavy duty the cap is. It's a locking cap. It's got two little keys. You also notice the vent here. It's got a rollover protection inside of it. It's got the little ball bearing as well as the overflow plastic piece that raises up whenever it's full. But I vented that to the outside up here. I don't know if you can see or not where I put it, but anyway, it just goes out. That's just keep vapors out of the back of the truck whenever I have it closed with my rolling lock bed cover. Okay, let's go to the underside of the truck. And again, this is on a 2016 F250. All right, this is where it all kind of comes together. You'll see where that supply line is coming in. Right there, just a little hole in the bed, and it comes in under, and you see it's got a nice little slope to it, so it comes down nice. And then you can see where I use that RDS installation kit and connected it. Now you'll notice my little valve there at the top, it is touching the truck bed, which we'll see how that translates over the long term. I don't know if it'll wear or rub, but we'll see. You also notice too that where the metal fill neck comes down, I cut the factory hose there, and actually that's what I ended up using to put the two back together. It just fit on a little bit easier than the supplied one, because that's the only reason. A little bit of laziness on my part, but otherwise everything came together real nice and easy, just as it said in the instructions. And again, thanks to YouTube for all of the help and learning how to put this thing in. But like I said, you'll see it's pretty simple, pretty cut and dry. Once you get started, make sure you have time to finish. But it really, total time I think for me was probably not more than about 2.5 hours at the most. That was with my dad helping me too. So there's lots of questions about whether or not to leave the valve open all the time. You know, I put about 20 gallons in this thing last night as I was driving home from Dad's house, and of course it filled up the tank completely and had no leaks or anything. I did shut the valve off last night, but opened it back up this morning, and as you can see, there's no leaks, no drips, nothing. And then also I just topped off the tank too. You probably saw on the fuel gauge that it's full, but again, it's open, and of course the truck tank is full, but no leaks, nothing. One thing I did want to show is how these the supplied bolts come in. I don't know if you can see. Where are they? Well, let me come around to the other side. Actually, no. You see one right there. See, that's that middle bolt. It's got a little spring that comes with the washers and the nuts, locking nuts, and the idea is that you just tighten it down till the springs kind of compress a little bit. We'll see how that works over the long haul. Anyway, that's the RDS 32 gallon auxiliary fuel tank. Pretty easy to put in, and again, thanks to YouTube for all your help in learning how to do this.